Map fans, welcome back. Quite the title today. We are looking at geopackages, basemaps and styling in Aspectum. Last time we were looking at building a simple map and loading in some data, and this time we'll load in a different data type, have a look at basemaps and do a bit more advanced styling as well. Let's go! Don't forget, if you want to try Aspectum out for yourself, you get a free 14-day trial. So I'm just going to sign back in. I will use my Google account and I'm in. Now what I'd like to do first up is try a different type of data. So I'm going to load in a geopackage that I made earlier in true demo fashion. So I'll just click on my datasets tab. I've got a geopackage over here on my desktop behind, and I'm just going to drag and drop that in. It's worth pointing out that currently you can only have vectors in geopackages. Rasters will not work. And here I've got two layers that were in that geopackage. We've got Wakefield buildings and I've also got Wakefield Centre. So you can see the name, it gives the full name of the geopackage and then the layer within it. Now I want to add this Wakefield buildings layer to my map, so I'm just going to click on the three dots here. And I could create a map with this. You get a nice little preview on the side. It tells you the number of rows, all of that. And I'm just going to add to map. And I've only got one map, so I'll add that to the counties map. And there it is. If I go to my maps, click on the counties map, that layer has been added. Now, by default, layers are added to the bottom of the layers panel, so I'm just going to move that to the top so that we can see it and turn off all the other layers. Over here on the three dots you do have the option to zoom to layer as well, so I'm just going to do that now, and after a moment or two there are our buildings. So we've had a look at some local data and some countrywide data. Now let's check out some global data. No GIS demo would be complete without the good old earthquake data. So I'm just going to go back to the home page, go to my data sets, and I've got from the USGS the all week earthquakes. So all the earthquakes that have happened over the last week. And I'll just upload that. Done. Now with this one, I would like to create a new map because it's not related to England specifically or Wakefield. So I'm going to create a new map with this, and the new map will be called earthquakes. Nice and simple. And here we're dealing with point data as opposed to polygon data, and there we can see the arbitrary styling has been applied. Now I wonder what options we've got within Aspectum in terms of styling point layers. To get into the style options, we can just click on the all week, and we've got the aggregation of points and our opacity as before, and then we have an option for column as well. Now currently we're just showing the location of the points, everything is the same. I would like to show these points by their magnitude, so I'll click on mag, and it automatically provides some classes for us. Now if I click on the classes, I get to choose how many classes I have got, so I'll go for 5, and then I will change to a kind of beige to red. And if I click on the legend, you can see immediately that the red earthquakes have a higher magnitude than the beige ones. And obviously we've got a pattern forming where we've got a lot of earthquakes going on around the ring of fire. Now we can also adjust the size, so we could go into the size down here and go for a column as well. Let's do that by magnitude just for demonstration purposes. And we have a min size, I'm going to set that to 1, and a max size of 10. And again, we've got 5 classes. So depending on the class, the size of the point will change. So we'll get small beige points, big red points. Now the final thing I wanted to look at today was basemap options. And if we go to the bottom right, you can see that we have 4 different basemaps as default at the moment. And one of the really nice things is that you can control what your basemaps are showing. So if I click on the cog up there, just do that again, I can turn off the labels if I'd like to, turn off the borders, so you do have some control over how your base map looks. This is a really neat feature. So that's a quick look at some more advanced styling in Aspectum. And don't forget, if you would like to help support the channel, please like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.